hi guys, welcome back to Tiny Motors Guild. Today we are at Pune, the community bar in Koth Road for Pune's Diecast event. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा turnout आया है लोगों का. We are more than 200 people who have attended this event today. And yeah, I'll just be showing you a few collections and sellers who are here. आगे भी ऐसे events होते रहेंगे, so please do join us. Okay, so we've got Siddhant. Hello.
हेलो.
क्या क्या लेके आया भाई आज?
तो आज एक्चुअली मैं मेरे पेज का ऑफिशियल मर्चेंडाइज लेके आया था. अनफॉर्चुनेटली टी शर्ट्स नहीं ला पाया, बट दीज आर द मैग्नेट्स फोर लेफ्ट एंड दीज आर द की चेन्स दैट वी हैव. So this has the Diecast and Coffee logo, as you can see, right? And this has a design with it. It has Hot Wheels Mini GT. The only two brands that I started with.
Okay.
And this has written official merchandise of
Diecast and Coffee. Yeah. So
उसके अलावा the event, I want to talk about the event.
Yeah.
We've got some amazing sellers and we've got some amazing things also.
Okay.
We've got a Mini GT here.
Okay.
We've got a Burago, Burago.
Okay.
It's a Charles Leclerc car.
Okay.
We've got a Roger Dodger which you gave me. Thank you so much for that.
Yeah.
We've got a Maserati Tipo.
Right.
Okay. And we've got a BMW 2002. And finally we have this Ferrari Monza SP1.
Okay. So those two also you bought from the event itself?
We bought from the event itself.
Okay.
One is mine and one is his.
Okay. Okay.
So
one is of yours and one belongs to your cameraman.
This is my friend. His name is Anirudh.
Okay.
So,
hey Anirudh.
Hi.
So how did you both like the event? How was it?
The event is fantastic.
Okay.
इतने लोग आएंगे. I was not expecting इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ होगी, but मज़ा आ गया. To meet people, like-minded people.
Right.
To meet people who love fantasies. And amazingly organized, by the way. It was
you.
fantastic. The food is good. And the collections, the theme actually. Personally, I love this collection.
Right,
I don't know his name.
That's probably Arya. Yeah, that's Arya.
पूरे इवेंट में सबसे ज़्यादा JDM का जिन्होंने लाइक.
हाँ.
I love it. He stuck to his theme. But amazing work. Amazing.
Okay, okay. Chalo, thank you so much, Siddhant. Go and make sure you give him a follow or subscribe, whatever it is. Cheers. So next up, we've got a mainstay in our events. Arya, hello. आज क्या क्या लेके आया भाई?
Today I've tried to follow the theme mostly.
Okay. These are all your JDMs. I can see a lot of top secrets.
These are brought in previous meetups, so
Right.
these are there.
So आप हर मीटअप में ऐड ही करते जा रहे हो अपना, कुछ सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं कर रहे.
Add, to be honest, ये सब पहले से है, बस अब लेके
आना चालू किया है. Lovely, lovely.
You can see here, brands are there.
Right.
As you see, Mini GTs are, these are Mini GTs. This is the Time Micro that
Time Micro, yeah. Yeah, those are all Hot Wheels.
Those are Mini GT, these are Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
That is Pop Race.
Yeah.
You would have seen in previous
Yeah. So this Pop Race is very, very close to my heart. 787B legendary car. It's got those magnetic removable engine parts and all of that as well, right? So amazing. And then of course you've got all of these Hot Wheels that I can see, inlines.
Bunch of lines are there. Those two are fantasies in the
corner. I mean they're not fantasies, so that's actually 24/7, which is effectively an RX-7. Yeah. It's effectively an RX-7, which they didn't have the license for it.
So I've tried to split these in different brands. I've tried.
But that is a beautiful, beautiful display. I mean,
R35s are here.
Yeah.
These are a few R34s. There are R33s.
Yeah.
This is a 2000 GTR, the original
Right.
GTR, you can say.
Right.
Then I have a R30 GTR as well.
Yeah.
And here I've kept Supras are there. So
Yeah.
this is also Supra.
That's an older one, right? Like 1980s.
Supra.
Yeah.
This is the OG Supra, you can say.
Right.
Then we are GR86s. This is a recent one.
Okay.
Discuss this up with you as well.
Right.
Pretty amazing wheels. Nobody's buying this for some reason. I don't know. It's a very amazing casting. Then here I've got Silvias. Here are the Subaru WRXs. And here are RX-7s. And my RX-7 is very close to my heart.
Yeah.
Favorite car, probably you can say.
Of all time.
Many people are running behind that Skyline and Supras.
Yeah.
My favorite car, I would say, Japanese car
RX-7.
is the RX-7.
Okay.
Very amazing. You can see I have like 10-15 of these are here.
Yeah, 15 RX-7 is little insane. Yeah.
Then here I have got few lines Heroes.
Yeah.
Heroes. Then here is the Acura or Honda NSX.
Right.
The new one and the older one.
Yeah.
These are that is the Subaru BRZ.
That's a main line, right?
That's the main line. These are Hondas. S800.
Yeah.
These are the CRX.
Right.
This is a very again special casting.
Yeah, that I think launched in 2023, right?
2023.
Yeah.
Color is
Beautiful.
insane. You cannot
Very good,
tell
very
that on video. You can cannot tell that by looking. You're too
I
famous.
mean, I'll
in your
try
eyes.
my best, but yeah.
Amazing casting. Then this is the new CRS here.
Right. This one is तो E-case में आएगी ना ये?
case में.
हाँ.
These I think most people would have seen.
Right.
These are few tunes are there.
Yeah. Just another angle for you guys to enjoy Arya's collection from. And yeah, did you have a good time?
Yes, amazing.
Lovely.
Amazing.
Thank you so much for coming, Arya. Thank you for displaying. See you. So next up we got Himanshu. Hello.
Hello guys. So my name is Himanshu. ये
Yes.
मेरा डिस्प्ले है
Display है.
और मैं कंपनी ने मैंने कस्टम डायग्राम रखा है.
Okay.
तो आप आपके हिसाब से कस्टम डायग्राम यहाँ पे ऑर्डर कर सकते हो. जो भी आपका स्केल हो 1:18, 1:21.
Okay. So you mentioned your number over there.
Yes.
You can mention.
सेम मेरा इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल और यूट्यूब हैंडल है.
Okay.
मैंने स्पेसिफिक इसका पेज नहीं बनाया सेपरेट.
अच्छा. बट ये आप बेचते हो, ये बना के बेचते हो. So let's just quickly go over this. क्या लेके आए हो? What all do you have for display today?
तो ऊपर पूरा मोटर स्पोर्ट का जो कलेक्शन है.
Okay.
वो है
हाँ.
लैम्बोर्गिनी एवेंटोर दोनों एल लाइसेंस है.
हाँ. Okay.
तो अच्छा है वो.
अच्छा. नीचे दोनों लाइसेंस है जो
ये
आपके
दोनों
ऊपर
license है.
कॉन्शियस है. ओके.
ऊपर ऐसा गार्डन मैंने थीम दिया है.
ओके.
नीचे 2 फ्लोर है. ये ऐसा
हाँ.
पूरा हाइपर कार सुपर कार का
Right.
फ्लोर बना है.
Okay.
इसमें हमारा ऑफिशियल में दूरा का फरेला फेरारी.
हाँ.
वहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो.
XX. हाँ. राइट.
इसमें है हमारा GT.
Okay.
एस्टन मार्टिन और यहाँ पे
Yes for.
पीछे आप देखोगे स्क्रीन भी लगाया है मैंने.
राइट. हाँ. F1 का ही चल रहा है.
हाँ, और पीछे यहाँ पे 2 वेरिएंट का कॉम्प्रेस का फैन रहता है 164 वाला.
ओके.
आप देख सकते हो मैंने पूरा सीलिंग का किया हुआ है.
हाँ.
मैंने कहा था शोरूम का नाम रखा है वहाँ पे.
HMT हाइपीरियन. ओके.
नीचे 2 सेक्शन किए हुए हैं. एक F1 का सेक्शन किया हुआ है, एक विंटेज कार का सेक्शन किया हुआ है.
ओके. सो ये अच्छा आपने स्टेयरकेस वगैरह बढ़िया बनाया. ऑल ऑफ दैट इज हैंडमेड.
ये ऑल हैंडमेड सेपरेट.
लवली.
वहाँ पे आप सेक्शन देख सकते हो. वहाँ पे टेबल भी बना है.
हाँ.
सेक्शन वाला
राइट.
सोफा बना है.
बढ़िया लग रहा है.
सेक्शन है.
हाँ.
देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे हमने फ्रेम वगैरह विंटेज फ्रेम लगाया हुआ है.
ओह वाओ.
सीलिंग आप दिखा सकते हैं पूरा विंटेज किया हुआ है.
हाँ. अरे लवली स्टफ भाई. बहुत ही सुंदर. और ये सारे आपके 124 है राइट? ये जो बड़े वाले मॉडल है. थोड़े बहुत 164 है. ओके. तो जनरली आप 124 कलेक्ट करते हो 164 कलेक्ट करते हो?
124 ही कलेक्ट करता हूँ मैं. पर
Okay.
अभी जगह थोड़ी कम है तभी
164 पे आ गए हो. ओके. जनरली उल्टा होता है, लोग छोटे स्केल से चालू करते हैं, थोड़ा करके बड़े पे जाते हैं. बट बढ़िया है. एंड क्या अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आपके इस डायरामा की कॉस्टिंग आती है?
ये तो मैंने बनाया था टोटल मुझे अराउंड 60-70,000 का पड़ा था मुझे.
60-70,000 आपका कॉस्ट था इतना ये बनाने पे. भाई डेडिकेशन तो आपका नेक्स्ट लेवल है, नो डाउट.
3 महीने लगाए बनाने.
सीधी सी बात है भाई. फिर तो मतलब.
डिटेलिंग उतना रहना चाहिए.
और मटेरियल आपने क्या यूज़ किया? मतलब
बेस है ये पूरा MDF का बनाया हुआ है.
ओके.
वो प्लाई पे बना सकते हो. बाकी फोम बोर्ड और ब्रेड्स निकाले.
ओके.
बाकी वो एक्रेलिक कटिंग हो गया, ये एक्रेलिक शीट्स हो गया.
हाँ. डिस्प्ले भी हो गया आपका.
डिस्प्ले पे मैंने एक्स्ट्रा फोन लगाया.
हाँ. ओके. बढ़िया है. लवली.
आप स्टोन देख रहे हो वो भी मैंने हैंडमेड पेंट
किया है. ओके. क्रेजी भाई, क्रेजी. चलो ब्रिलियंट. और इवेंट आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत बढ़िया इवेंट है. मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम आऊँगा.
Definitely looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Next up we've got Sachin, Mr. Stupid Collector, not here with his wife today.
She's busy at home.
She's busy, yeah. So what did you get to display today?
So this would be one of it. So this is the actual box of it. If you see, even the box
makes
has a good design, subtle design.
Right.
And this was Le Mans winning car.
Right, 1992.
1982.
Yeah.
And 956L. And the L stands for Langheck. Basically, it's a German term for long tail.
KH is short tail, yeah.
So
KH
this is a long tail, right? So
Right.
that's why they have a L as a L.
Right.
956L.
What scale is this?
This is 1:18.
1:18.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it has a good interior of engine.
Right.
Heavy, very heavy. Good engine hood.
Okay.
Detailing is good. Even if you see the interior, right?
Yeah.
They have done a really good job of capturing the interior of this car.
Yeah. It's just lovely, right? And how much did that roughly cost you, if you don't mind my asking?
Almost like 10,000.
10,000. Okay, for 1:18, that's actually
That
standard.
was
Yeah.
reasonable. And with the, like good box,
Box and everything.
everything, it was in a good condition. So
Right. So this is of course your showstopper, I could
this
say.
is showstopper, and
What else? So I can see these two silver line packs.
yes, and this is something unique.
Uh-huh.
So this opens up like this.
Right.
So even with the box, right, you can see the cards without even
Right,
opening
right.
it. It's from Silver Series.
Yeah.
So no real riders.
Okay. But,
But
full detailing.
Full detailing, like they have done a good job on detailing.
Got it.
So we have Tueno, we have Supras and everything.
Right,
so
right,
this is two JDM since we have JDM theme today.
Right, right.
So I brought this two Silver Series.
Okay.
I
you
have-
could open that up as well.
Yeah,
Maybe
sure.
just to show
So
me.
these are little less glossy and detailing
Right, right.
compared to this one. If you see, right.
Yeah.
So you see like difference in the
Lovely.
detailing.
Yeah.
But
That's,
it still has good cars.
Got it.
Next we have RLC here.
Wow.
So I'll remove it from the
Yeah.
product.
So for the video, it's better. Yeah.
So it's RX-7 RLC.
Lovely.
So the
That's
card art is really
beautiful.
nice.
That Spectra flame red just really.
It looks nice, and the openable hood shows the
Yeah,
engine
yeah.
details. So
Yeah, that's some crazy detailing for
yeah.
64 scale model.
This is the only RLC I have. I'm not thinking of buying any RLC because
right.
it's expensive.
expensive, yeah,
It's
yeah.
expensive, and you can get something like this. Right?
Yeah, for sure.
So yeah, I'm going for 18 scale now.
Okay, you've started
Started to move to 18 scale.
Okay, and then of course this is the Supra.
Yeah, this is
Supra
Supra.
2-pack?
Yeah, 2-pack. We have. This is one of the JDM that I had. I have multiple 2-packs.
Right, JDM theme.
JDM theme.
Got it.
To be true for the team.
So
we
you got
have-
this from Amazon itself, right?
No, this is all imported from Japan.
All import. Oh, okay.
So there's a site HLJ, Hobbyling Japan.
Okay.
So I ordered it from there,
Okay.
and everything you see is almost from there.
Okay.
So-
So even these Hot Wheels
Yes.
over here that you got?
Yes.
Okay, so this is a pretty rare one. Like I've not seen this with many collectors, at least
This,
personally.
I am like this is like my Skyline collection.
Right.
So I like Skyline. So
Show me one person who doesn't. Like Skylines are
true. See,
yeah,
if you
cult
see
favorites.
here, right?
Yeah.
You also
Skylines
have
are cult favorites.
some are from Mini GT, some are from Kaido House.
Right.
We have
Beautiful
Supra,
collection.
we have Pop Race here.
Okay.
This is Tarmac box. All the threes are Tarmac box.
Tarmac works. Okay, so these three in the front are tarmac.
Yeah, this is AE86 but full wide body.
Right. Yeah, I can see the body kit looks.
Yes, and this is RX-7.
Okay.
This is similar to this with the wide body fit.
Right. Okay. And then these are 43 scale, right?
These are 43 scales. These are from Ebro.
Okay.
So they are they do Japanese Japan GT Championship.
Okay.
So this is from that series.
Okay.
So all are like this is RX-7 if you see.
Right.
But it won't look like an RX-7 because it's
Uh-huh.
a GT car. This
Okay.
is like Super GT GTR.
Right,
We
right.
have Honda NSX.
Yeah. That's a
And-
beautiful blue on that NSX, right? Like,
I love the color.
yeah, it's genuinely pretty. Like it really stood out for me.
And then we have here like a rally diorama.
Okay.
So this is Subaru, and this is from a company known as BMC.
Okay. BM
BM
Creations.
Creations.
Yeah, got it.
So they have these figurines and the car itself.
Right,
So
right.
I like that entire diorama.
Diorama.
Looks,
It's a beautiful setup. And how much did this diorama cost you?
this would be around 3,500, 4,000.
Oh, okay. That's kind of expensive, yeah.
It is
With the car.
With the car.
That's
With the
fine.
car.
With the car, then
So it
it's-
comes as an entire box.
Right,
with
right.
The car and the diorama.
Okay.
And we have Time Micro RX-7.
Yeah. The
Hans car.
Hans car. Yeah.
And right next to it, we have something from Fast and Speed,
Okay.
Paul Walker Supra.
Okay.
So if you see closely, there's a Paul Walker sitting.
Figurine inside, yeah.
Yes.
Very pretty stuff, man. And so how much do these 1:43 ones cost?
1,600 per piece.
Not bad.
Not bad.
That's actually a very, very good price.
But it comes as a set. Like
Acha.
I have ordered few more,
Okay.
but like it's I wanted to complete like entire racing
right.
team, like like a lineup.
Okay.
So yeah, let's hope to have a diorama on that.
Lovely. Did you enjoy the event?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. I mean the event was packed. Like we
Yeah.
had a lot of visitors. Interaction was great. The place is great.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean good crowd.
Good to know.
And thanks for organizing
No
this.
problem at all. Yeah. Cheers, and I hope to see you in the next one as well. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
So next up we've got Shardul. He's got a beautiful Moon Eyes collection for display today. So talk about a bit of this, Shardul.
Today's theme was yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah,
For
for myself.
Yeah, the event theme was JDM,
Yeah, but I don't collect JDM, so I got an
Moon Eyes and
Moon Eyes
yellow.
today.
Okay. This is some lovely stuff, sir. And वो diorama आपने खुद बनाया?
yeah, it's an handmade.
Handmade diorama.
You can share the details for that.
Okay, okay.
And the next diorama is from Royston.
Okay, Royston.
Yeah.
So he's right opposite us.
Yeah.
I'll just cover him as well. And yeah, beautiful nice collection. Guys, if you didn't come for this event, you've genuinely missed out. But yeah, how was the event organized, in your opinion?
All good.
All good?
All
Organization
good.
was good?
Everything was nice. Nicely done.
आपके फीडबैक पे विजिटर एंट्री नॉमिनल रखी है ये बार
We got the
रिस्पॉन्स
response for that.
रिस्पॉन्स भी अच्छा है यस यस
So we are on good.
चलो थैंक यू सो मच सर थैंक यू
Thanks.
सो नेक्स्ट अप यू गॉट रॉयस्टन हेलो
Hi.
what have you got to display today?
I've got mostly skylines. JDM is the theme.
Right, JDM was the theme and you've got skylines. So all of these are dioramas you've made, right?
Right. Yes.
Shardul sir was just mentioning he's got into dioramas
Yeah,
from
from
you.
me, yes.
Yeah. So lovely work, right?
Thank you so much.
And bunch of Innos, bunch of
Global Horizon.
yeah, crazy. I've not had a Focal Horizon in my collection so far. Lovely. Paul Walker's Skyline. Crazy, bhai.
Leons. R33.
Crazy stuff.
Then we have the Tokyo Drift one.
Yeah, the Mona Lisa, right?
Mona Lisa.
Lovely. So, how was the event? How did you like it so
The
far?
event was good.
was
Too
good?
crowded and nice. Good positive vibes.
Positive vibes, lovely stuff. And oh, I just noticed that truck over there. in
Yeah,
your
the
collection.
GCD.
That's a GCD model?
Yes.
And you've put an R35 inside. Crazy. How much did that truck cost you if you don't mind my asking?
Like around 7,500, 8,000.
164.
Yes.
That is expensive, but I
Even
think that's a
helmet
standard.
truck, it's very heavy.
Yeah. I believe you. I take the word for it.
Yes.
And yeah, that's just a lovely look at his collection over here. We're just about to wrap up. He had to leave early. No issues. And all of this is at MRP, right? Like,
No.
no?
Most of them are
Imported?
Yeah, imported.
Imported. Okay.
Mostly are from the collectors and all.
Right.
And I've
Okay.
been to Thailand, so I got the green one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
This one is from Thailand.
Okay. And how much did that cost you roughly?
It's like around 2,000.
2,000. Not bad actually.
Yeah.
Still, like, pretty cool stuff.
My latest is the Coca-Cola one, the Land Cruiser.
The Land Cruiser. Okay. That looks...
These all three books.
all three are Cokes. Yeah. That's a beautiful shot right there. Cool stuff. Thank you so much for joining, Royston. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubham.
Take care. ये एक और बंदे का डिस्प्ले है. He wasn't comfortable coming on camera, so this is just a look at his collection. Largely speaking, आपके main lines ही है from 2023 and onward. I can see a few that never launched in India. थोड़े बहुत आपके Ultra Hots वगैरह के भी cars हैं. So this is just some lovely stuff that people have got to display the collection at the meetup, and yeah. So next up we've got Satvik. Hello.
Hi.
What did you get to display today?
So today I got an assortment of different cars. I
Okay.
got some Tomica premiums.
Okay.
I've got some Audi premiums. I've got Pop Race and some Mini GTs.
Okay, so where are each respective brand's cars?
So they're jumbled up together. These are two Mini GTs.
Okay.
That's a Malaysia exclusive product saga.
Okay.
That's the Eclipse Trees. That's the Liberty Walks Navigiri. That's the Pop Race.
Right.
Those two belong to Tanesh.
Okay.
The Castrol, Nissan and the Castrol.
Okay, so that's a friend who is sharing it.
Yes.
Okay. And
These are Formula 1 cars.
Formula One.
And here I have some race cars.
okay, so that's of course the 499P from the Circuit Legends set that everyone was after.
Yep.
And yeah, these are a few very nice ones as well. This is all Hot Wheels, right?
Yes.
The Cyberpunk, the Koenigsegg XCCX.
Yes.
Lovely stuff. So all of this is MRP? You added all of this?
Besides all the imported stuff, yes, everything is at MRP.
Okay, so brilliant stuff. Hi, and how did you like the event and everything?
The event is honestly amazing. Like the amount of people that have come to today and the kind of cars that they're bringing, they're honestly amazing. I love the event.
Lovely, lovely. Will you come again? Do you think?
Definitely. I love displaying here, and the amount of compliments that I've gotten are just too good.
Yeah.
Definitely
That's
coming again.
that is like positive motivation, right? It
Yeah.
validates your this thing as well. So lovely.
It's just encouraging me to spend more money.
Yeah, that's the disclaimer we give at all of these events, right? This
Yeah.
might encourage you to spend more. So,
Fair enough.
but lovely stuff. Thank you so much, Satvik.
Thank you
for coming. Yes. So next up we've got Omkar. Hello, Mr. Entac.
Hello.
क्या लाया आज डिस्प्ले पे?
So I got a diorama which
Okay.
made my friend Utkarsha and her husband.
Okay.
So this is a 7-11 diorama
Okay.
and this is parking ground.
Okay.
And her first product is this tiny garage.
Okay.
I got it as a gift
Okay.
from them.
Okay. And I see a very cute Flash figurine over there.
And if you want one of these, pick
Uh-huh.
up this. Then
Okay.
there is a scanner. You
Okay.
can actually order it.
Okay. So these are for sale.
Yes, not sale. Only for
Sale, right?
Yes.
Okay. And ये टाइड क्यों रखा है यहाँ पे? टाइड का एक पैकेट रखा है.
चौक गए.
बिल्कुल चौक है भाई. तो वो टाइड वाली एक नास्कार टाइप की कार है क्या?
Yes, this is racing champion.
Okay.
Ride car driven by the Ricky Rudd.
Okay.
Ricky Rudd.
Okay.
Which he won Brick Fair 400 in 1997.
अच्छा.
Yes.
तो टाइड का थीम है तो टाइड की तुम ये पैकेट भी ले आए इससे.
एक तरफ टाइट कपड़े को धोता था और एक तरफ उसने Brick
Opponents
Fair
को
में
धोया. बढ़िया. और ये फरारी TT भी है आपके पास.
Yes, TT है.
तो इसके पीछे तो दीवाने हैं.
अब JDM थीम था इसलिए मैंने STS
Mitsubishi, हाँ, Pajero.
और ये लिखा है STS किसी को भी मिल सकता है.
So sticker courtesy ओमकार डाइकास प्लेग्राउंड. फरारी है आपके पास सारे जो रेड वाले सोफा आए हैं और द रॉक्सी ये थोड़ी कम देखने मिलती है. 100% हॉट व्हील्स जो है आपकी.
अभी जस्ट लिया है मैंने.
ओह कहाँ से ये सेल्स से लिया क्या?
Yes. ओमकार के पावर से लिया.
ओके. सो डाइकास प्लेग्राउंड से ही परचेस किया है. ओमकार बॉट फ्रॉम ओमकार बेसिकली. एंड आपके पास ये FNF का 5 पैक भी है. दिस यू हैड गॉट रिसेंटली राइट?
ये रिसेंटली मिला.
शॉप में आपको पड़ा मिल गया. भाई लक हो तो आपके जैसा सीधी सी बात.
नोटिस एक्चुअली.
अरे STH से ज़्यादा लकी आप हो यार. 26 में अगर आपको 2023 का पैक मिल रहा है दैट इज नेक्स्ट लेवल. एंड ऑफकोर्स आपके पास ये स्काईलाइंस भी है जो फर्स्ट आपका पॉप कल्चर सेट आया था. ये तो मित्सुबिशी लैंसर जो कि थ्रिल क्लाइंबर्स वाले सेट में आई है. एंड थोड़े बहुत आपके पास ये मैच बॉक्स के मेन लाइन्स भी हैं.
So if you want container or tiny garage or
Right.
7-11, you can go to diorama corner.
ओके. सो ये स्कैन कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन बाय इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड दीज लिटिल सेटअप्स दैट ओमकार हैज गॉट गोइंग टुडे. सो थैंक यू सो मच ओमकार. थैंक यू. इवेंट कैसा लगा बाकी आपको?
Superb. I can see lot of people are showing interest,
राइट.
love interest towards the diecast.
बढ़िया. अगले बार भी आना बिल्कुल.
आऊँगा.
थैंक यू. सो नेक्स्ट अप यू गॉट आशुतोष. हेलो. क्या लेके आया भाई आज डिस्प्ले पे?
So today's theme is majorly on the JDMs.
राइट.
Yeah, so apart from Hot Wheels, we got the Nissan 2000
GTR.
Yeah, from the Japan historic set.
राइट.
And the LB Liberty Walk.
तो ये दोनों आपकी चेज है ना? चेज मॉडल्स है. अरे भाई क्रेजी. एंड दीज आर योर नॉर्मल मॉडल्स राइट हियर. उसके साथ you got the RLC
RLC Wasada,
Uh-huh.
2000.
and 2 STHs. So Mitsubishi Pajero and
The Nissan 180 SX.
और ये भी आपके पास एक बहुत बढ़िया डायोरामा का सेटअप मिल रहा है. So how much the diorama cost you more than anything?
It costed me 2300.
2300 for that diorama, right? And light up वगैरह के साथ आता है. It's from this brand by the name of More Art. And कहाँ से परचेज किया आपने? ऑनलाइन लिया right?
I got it from minigarage.in.
minigarage.in. Okay. And ये कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. So these are from Trends Hobbies.
Exactly.
So this is a up and coming brand guys. Fully licensed आपके models बनाना है 1:64 scale में. Comes with these openable magnetic parts and कैसा लग रहा है आपको? Overall इनका quality वगैरह कैसा है?
And to be very honest, yeah, I'm happy that I explored this brand.
Right.
The level of detailing and all is like
Next
exactly
level.
far better than even Cowpress also.
Oh.
And it's good to try a new brand and explore new way
Right.
apart from sticking with Hot Wheels and all.
हाँ,
So
हाँ.
I am really happy with this.
And
one.
क्या cost पड़ा था आपको इसका?
It costed me around 1700. I got it from a friend. He runs the page called Diecast Silk Road.
Okay,
I got
okay.
it as a PO, so yeah, pretty fair
Okay.
price.
Okay. Lovely. Easy stuff भाई. And ये वो भी Trends Hobby की है ना ये जो?
Exactly.
पॉश आपकी है GT3R 911। बाकी तो ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं है जो हमने बाकी डिस्प्लेस में देखा नहीं है, बट योर डिस्प्ले इज़ वेरी यूनिक। एक ये भी यूनिक लग रहा है आपका, ये कोनागावा काइंड ऑफ चेरी ब्लॉसम थीम है। सो
Tried to match the theme of the event.
राइट
This is one of the my favorite Porsches from
Yeah,
Time
yeah.
Micro.
Right.
With the surfing livery and all.
हाँ
And that lady with the kimono, like I feel it perfectly matches the theme of our
Right.
today's diecast fleet in the background.
लवली स्टफ भाई। और ये डायोरामा कितने का लिया था? ये
This
भी
is
मोराट का ही है।
almost 3000.
3000 इसका।
हाँ.
तो इट केम विद ऑल ऑफ दीज अटैचमेंट्स राइट? ये जो आपका गेट है, जो चेरी
Exactly.
ब्लॉसम कार है,
And it has also slot where you can basically attach a lining of
लाइट वगैरह।
LEDs and you can
हाँ
do it back.
ओके क्रेजी स्टफ भाई, बहुत ही बढ़िया आपका डिस्प्ले है आज का। एंड इवेंट ओवरऑल आपका कैसा लगा?
The event was very well organized. इतने लोगों के साथ मिलने का मौका मिला. There were sellers and I also bought myself very good stuff.
राइट
And yeah, like sharing the journey with all the other fellow collectors. Truly
लवली चलो, hope you had a good time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So we got a few more people who are here for display. Unfortunately वो लोग यहाँ पे अभी थोड़ा खुद एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, बट या देर आर अ फ्यू वेरी वेरी इंसेन कलेक्शंस और क्रिएटिव तरीके से लोगों ने अपने कार्स डिस्प्ले किए हैं। यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज अ फोटो फ्रेम राइट देयर। अगर आप लोगों को लास्ट इवेंट का याद होगा तो एक ऑरा फ्रेम्स करके सेलर था, हैड सिमिलर फोटो फ्रेम्स। एंड उसके अलावा देर आर अ फ्यू मोर interesting cars from Majorette, from Hot Wheels, and just a beautiful collection today. Huge thanks to everyone who shows up at these events and displays their collections. So next up we got Advait. Hello, what have you got to display today?
Mainly JDM. I have some special pieces like this.
Right, so this is exclusive.
Exclusive pop-up event.
How much did that cost you?
This around 21-ish.
21,000. Crazy, bhai.
But not just this, it comes with a box, t-shirt and stuff like that.
Right.
Then I have some Ari Amamiyas.
Okay. So RX-7s, right?
RX-7s, all RX-7s. This one is signed by Marshall Lee
Oh,
and Amamiya-san.
right.
And
Crazy stuff.
limited to 300 pieces.
Right.
This one is the same dinner model.
Yeah.
Again 300 pieces, and this is
Okay.
207 out of 300.
Damn. So, how you got these stuck to the box? That's
I use tack,
okay. So sticky tack. It's like
sticky tack, Faber-Castell.
Got it. Okay.
And this is the event version of this dinner.
Right. Crazy stuff. And then I can
some
see.
regular releases, old stuff.
Yeah.
The first mini GT release is there.
Yeah. Oh, number 2. Another first.
and then number 3.
Okay. That is interesting. So very first mini GT that had come. That is right here.
Something that you don't see every day.
Definitely not. That's beautiful model.
67. The box is Indonesia exclusive.
Right.
The blister is Japan.
Right. How much does that cost you? Like this is some
This was a good deal. I
Good
paid
deal.
6,000.
6,000. And you're saying that's a good deal. I mean,
It is. It goes for $150.
Yeah. Okay. Crazy stuff. And then of course you got Kaido House. You got Chase for the Supra. Right here is the regular on the left, and on the right you got the Chase. Chase for the Skyline as well. Oh wow. Lovely. बहुत बढ़िया. And Chase भी आपको क्या randomly Kazimaz वगैरह से मिल गया था कैसे?
Part of my chases I purchased them,
Okay.
but this one I got it from K&D.
Oh, this one you got from K&D.
I
Lovely.
got 2-3 chases from K&D. Everything else on my own.
Oh, okay. So lovely stuff. How did you like the event?
It was very good.
Very good. Well organized.
Enjoyed it. It was nice.
Brilliant.
It was a lot of fun.
Lovely stuff. Chalo, thank you so much.
Thanks, man.
So we have a few sellers at the meetup as well. We are joined today by Crazy Caterpillar. Hello Kunal.
बस बढ़िया सर,
आपका
आप
लोगो
कैसे
दिखा दो. हम बढ़िया, आप बताओ कैसा लगा इवेंट?
सही, बहुत बढ़िया.
बहुत बढ़िया.
बहुत बढ़िया.
अच्छी खासी सेल्स हुई. बढ़िया. क्या लेके आए हो वैसे सेल के लिए आज?
मिनी जीटी है, पॉपरेस है, पुरेगो है, मेजोरेट है.
जो आपका बेसिकली पूरा डाइकास्ट का लाइनअप है, वेबसाइट पे जो भी अवेलेबल है ऑलमोस्ट पूरा का पूरा सेल पे आप लाए हो. बढ़िया है भाई. और इवेंट में मजा आया?
बहुत बढ़िया है. मतलब मुझे लगता है फर्स्ट टाइम इतना बड़ा मीटअप हुआ होगा.
हाँ पुणे में तो ये हमारे तरफ से तो सबसे बड़ा है. हाँ वही. और आगे के इवेंट में आने का है प्लान? आगे कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे तो?
आगे भी सर 100% ट्राई करूंगा आने के
अरे
लिए. बस आप सैटरडे रखिए.
कोशिश वही होगी कि करें. आपका भी सपोर्ट जरूरी है ऐसे हॉबी में.
बिल्कुल रहेगा सर, बिल्कुल.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल चलिए थैंक यू सो मच
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
So next up we've got Ayush from the Poggle store. Hello, he joined us as a seller. You're Ayush.
And Neeraj.
You're Ayush and you're Neeraj. So hello. They join us as sellers. They have a page called Poggle store and they have these dioramas for sale. What is the approximate cost of these dioramas?
So bigger ones cost 1500 is the starting price.
Okay.
And 1900 for the RGB version.
Okay. So the lighting one is
This
1900.
one is 1900.
Okay.
And the smaller one, so these cost 900 for the single light
Okay,
and
okay.
1300 for the RGB.
RGB one. Okay.
The RGB can be app controlled.
Okay.
Yeah.
So fairly reasonable prices actually. And all of these come as panels that you can later assemble,
Yeah,
right?
these are all DIY. So you
Okay.
can just snap in assembly.
Okay. So all of them, even the ones that we saw, these are acrylic,
Yes,
right?
these are all assembled. Even the smaller one.
Okay.
Also, like you can purchase these as extras.
Okay.
And then just swap it out and just create. a new
Okay.
design.
So you're not restricted to like one
not
particular pattern or anything.
Also for the bigger dioramas, we have made a design change that we are only keeping one side as printed,
Okay.
one side is
Blank.
transparent.
Okay.
And these can be interchanged. So I can put the printed on the left side
Ah.
and do it based on your desk layout.
Okay.
You can just look it from the
Lovely,
side.
lovely stuff.
Bigger one, so it's
And
1500 for the
he also
single
has a
light,
few of these Hot Wheels as sale. Hot Wheels for sale. These are all imports and older than 2 years, right?
Like through 2017, 2021,
Right.
2015 cars also we have.
Okay.
11 years, 12 years.
Lovely stuff. So enjoyed the event.
Very much.
Very good. Would you like to come again?
Yeah, sure.
If you organize? Okay, that's always a good thing to hear. Thank you so much for helping make the event a success, right? And I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers. So next up we've got Chetan. Hello. क्या लाए हो भाई आज टाइनी टायर्स सेल पे क्या लाया है?
कुछ स्पेशल चाहिए तो ये स्पेशल है रेजिन आर्ट।
Oh.
तो रेजिन है 1 of 1 आते हैं।
Okay.
ये है अराउंड 99 पीसेस बने हुए हैं और ये 23 नंबर वाला कार है
Okay.
और ये 4.5K का है
रेजिन का?
रेजिन।
उसके लिए तो बहुत रीजनेबल है। रेजिन
हाँ।
5 के आसपास से जनरली स्टार्ट होते हैं।
हाँ, और ये भी है सेंटेनारियो जिसमें हाथ से लिखा हुआ है अंदर 02 of 299 पीसेस ओनली
ओके।
और ये 4.7 का है।
नॉट बैड।
हाँ, इसके अलावा देख सकते हो सब
मिनी
brands है,
GT,
मिनी GT
मेजोरेट
है,
Popres
है इंपोर्टेड में।
दीवार लगा दी भाई तुमने, मतलब ऐसे टेबल एक बोला था बट यू मेड द मोस्ट ऑफ द स्पेस। और तुम्हारे
इसके अलावा इनो 64 है, CM मॉडल है, TPC ब्रांड है, कोइनेक्स है।
हाँ, ओके।
इसके अलावा किंगस्मार्ट ब्रांड में 143 चाहिए तो वो भी है।
वो आपकी जो क्रूज है ना वो?
क्रूज है।
हाँ।
ये मेरे पास ब्रांड ये है।
ओके। आप ओके पॉश है ना ये तो?
हाँ, ये Porsche 911 GT3 RS है।
ओके।
ये AC 500 से स्टार्ट होती है, इसमें
हाँ।
8 से 9 मॉडल्स है अपने पास।
हाँ, किंगस्मार्ट ब्रांड काफ़ी लोगों में नोन है।
कि ये लाइसेंस ब्रांड है।
हाँ। और बाकी भी आपके पास बुरागो, टोमिका सब दिख रहा है।
यस।
आप ये
इसके अलावा
रैक्स वगैरह भी लाए हो ना? हाँ, रैक्स,
इसके बाद
प्रोटेक्टर्स।
प्रोटेक्टर्स भी है अपने पास।
प्रोटेक्टर्स,
Premium
हाँ,
भी
ये
है, Lightning
बहुत
भी
लोग मेरे से पूछते हैं कि प्रोटेक्टर चाहिए हमको।
ये
display
350
के
रुपीज़ का
चाहिए।
है।
बहुत डिसेंट है यार वो, 350 का जेन्युइनली बहुत
इसमें
अच्छा
आप
है
10
वो।
कार्स रख सकते हो ऊपर
हाँ,
के
हाँ।
साथ मिला के।
बहुत ही बढ़िया। और बाकी भी आपके मेजरेट के 600 वाले सीरीज के हैं।
रेडियम सीरीज में है।
हाँ। क्रेजी भाई, क्रेजी। बहुत मतलब
CCA है, मैच बॉक्स है।
बहुत बढ़िया आप कलेक्शन सेल पे लाए हो एंड आई होप आपके सेल्स वेल्स अच्छे हुए।
ऑल थैंक्स टू टाइनी मोटर्स गिल्ड।
थैंक यू सो
जिन्होंने
मच
हमें यहाँ पे बुलाया है।
अरे आप लोग ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हो, पता है हमारे
नहीं,
event
आपके
को
बुलाने से
success-
हम यहाँ पे हैं।
अरे,
तो इसके लिए आपको बड़ा थैंक यू।
थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग एंड आना अगले बार भी। आई होप इवेंट आपको अच्छा लगा।
इवेंट रखना, हम जल्द से आएगा।
Definitely. चलो, thank you so much,
Thank
Chetan.
you.
Thank you. So next up, we've also got a sales stall from Mini Toys World. They are also a very prominent MRP seller based right here out of Pune, and they've got some tarmac works, a few imported Hot Wheels, MJ model, the BMW M3 GTR that was our childhood dream. Popres वगैरह भी है इनके पास. This is interesting. This is Ferrari 1:64. Yeah, Centuria. Lovely stuff. Very unique collection for sale, and all of it at MRP. Like I said, you can visit the site as well, Mini Toys World, and yeah. So next up we got Omkar, Mr. Maharaja Playground. आज वो as a seller आए हैं. He runs a selling page by the name of Diecast Playground. And क्या लाओ भाई सेल पे? You can follow him right here on his Instagram. क्या लाओ भाई सेल पे?
So I had like Mazda majorly and Ferrari DT
इम्पोर्टेड होंगे ना वो तो आपके Ferrari के transport वगैरह।
imported. So this was also for sale, but I got the autograph from Adil sir. So I will keep it.
अभी not for sale. Okay.
Baki, I had a few main lines,
Right.
F40, cylindry, and all these things.
Okay.
All those were on MRP, all sold.
अरे भाई बहुत बढ़िया
I
बहुत
had
बढ़िया।
few
Happy to
these
know।
speed boxes,
हाँ
like you can keep 10 cars inside
डिस्प्ले
this
टाइप का है
display,
क्या?
like, हाँ.
ओके बहुत
और
ही बढ़िया।
बाकी कुछ मिनी GTs and Popres थे,
हाँ
and and Mazda की ये थे कुछ
Okay.
Unimog trucks and this military trucks.
ओके बहुत ही बढ़िया कलेक्शन भाई। एंड माजदी का अप्रॉक्स क्या रिव्यू है आपका, मतलब इज इट बेटर देन मिनी जीटी या
वो
मतलब
एक्चुअली अपने आप में एक अलग कैटेगरी है।
चॉइस है लोगों की, वो तो है ही।
उनका चॉइस है,
हाँ।
बट दे आर इनटू लाइक रेगुलर कार्स,
हाँ।
नॉट इनटू लाइक लिवरी कार्स, जस्ट
हाँ, plain cars ज़्यादा उनका।
मेन कार्स उनके ज्यादा है।
Okay.
तो फॉर द प्राइस ऑफ 1500 रियली गुड,
हाँ मतलब अप्रोक्सीमेटली मिनी जीटी के प्राइस के
14, 15, 16 यू कैन गेट फॉर।
गॉट इट बहुत ही बढ़िया। एंड वही आपका रिस्पॉन्स आई होप अच्छा आया, मतलब
इट वाज एक्चुअली रियली गुड रिस्पॉन्स,
गुड रिस्पॉन्स, गुड टू नो भाई, गुड टू नो।
Also I had few RLCs, all are sold out right now.
वाओ भाई मतलब बहुत बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया।
So it was a good overall experience.
Good
Thank
to
you
know,
for
bhai.
giving me a sailor stock.
अरे थैंक यू फॉर पेइंग फॉर इट।
So it's my pleasure.
चलो थैंक यू होगा।
Thank you.
एंड अगले इवेंट में भी आना बिल्कुल। थैंक यू। So next up we got Om and Abhijit. They are here as sellers at the event and they got some very exclusive stuff for sale. So this is kind of like their crown jewel. ये आपका Malaysia Diecast Expo में Glenn ने sign किया, right? Glenn Chu, who is the CEO of Mini GT. Crazy stuff, right?
Inside.
Yeah, and I can see the sign right here. Glenn Chu का है। उसके अलावा और भी आपके पास काफ़ी क्रेजी सामान है। You got STH जो आपकी Impala की थी, DKs की। You got RLCs। ये आपका पॉप कल्चर का है ना, जो Porsche वाला सेट है। This is the Porsche, the Gran Turismo, lovely stuff। And ये आपकी Tarmac की हो गई। So beautiful collection for sale, guys. I can see आपका टेबल almost empty हो गया है। That tells me आपको बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आया है। So Om also helped me organize the event. He's on Instagram as that Hot Wheels guy. Make sure you give him a follow. उसके अलावा Abhijit right here is actually flown all the way from Hyderabad to come here. So huge thank you for that as well. बाकी इवेंट आपको कैसा लगा? ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वगैरह? बढ़िया।
मेरा फर्स्ट इवेंट है,
फर्स्ट इवेंट है?
पूरे इंडिया में फर्स्ट इवेंट है।
अरे
यही फर्स्ट इवेंट है।
तो बहुत भाई मतलब ऑनर्ड ऑनेस्टली आप फर्स्ट इवेंट के तौर पे यहाँ आए।
आने वाला था।
हाँ एंड आई होप अच्छा था एक्सपीरियंस, मतलब
बहुत अच्छा था।
बढ़िया। चलो थैंक यू सो मच अभिजीत, थैंक यू। हाँ अरे भाई क्रेजी डेडिकेटेड। चलो थैंक यू सो मच।
बाय।
सो गाइस दिस वाज इट फॉर द वीडियो। आई होप आप लोगों को मज़ा आया। आई होप आप लोगों को काफ़ी अच्छे कलेक्शंस एंड सेलर्स देखने मिले। एंड या these meetups keep happening every so often. Stay tuned on my Instagram and YouTube for details about the next events, and I hope to see you all there. Cheers, take care.